Welcome to GoLogica. Today, we discuss AWS Developer Training, a comprehensive program designed to equip learners with the skills required to develop, deploy, and manage applications on Amazon Web Services. This training provides an in-depth understanding of AWS services, tools, and best practices for building scalable, resilient, and secure cloud applications. Here we can provide the AWS Developer Roadmap about the course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program. About the course, Amazon Web Services is the world's leading cloud computing platform, offering a wide range of services, including computing, storage, databases, machine learning, networking, and security. As cloud adoption grows across industries, skilled AWS developers are in high demand to build, deploy, and maintain cloud-based applications efficiently. The AWS Developer course is designed to provide a deep dive into AWS core services, application development, serverless computing, DevOps practices, and security. Learners will gain hands-on experience in developing cloud-native applications using AWS tools and services such as AWS Lambda, API Gateway, DynamoDB, S3, and CloudFormation. Additionally, the course covers deployment automation, monitoring, performance optimization, and security best practices. The course begins with an introduction to cloud computing and AWS fundamentals, including key concepts like regions, availability zones, IAM, and AWS CLI. It then explores AWS compute services, such as EC2, ECS, and Lambda, for deploying applications. Storage solutions like S3, EFS, and DynamoDB are covered in depth to help developers efficiently manage data. Networking topics such as VPC, Route 53, and load balancers ensure learners understand cloud networking architecture. Security best practices, monitoring with AWS Cloud Watch, and CI/CD integration using AWS Code Pipeline and CodeBuild are also covered. Advanced topics include serverless application development, API management, microservices architecture, infrastructure as code, IAC, with AWS CloudFormation and Terraform, DevOps best practices, and multi-cloud, hybrid cloud strategies. This course is perfect for those looking to enhance their cloud development skills and become AWS certified professionals. Prerequisites. To complete the AWS Developer Training, the following knowledge and skills are recommended. Basic programming knowledge in Python, Java, or Node.js. Understanding of cloud computing concepts. Familiarity with Linux command line and system administration. Knowledge of networking basics, including DNS, IP addressing, and firewalls. Basic understanding of DevOps practices and CI/CD workflows. Experience with databases, SQL or NoSQL, is a plus eligibility criteria. This course is suitable for software developers and engineers, professionals looking to build and deploy cloud applications using AWS services, DevOps engineers, those integrating AWS with CI/CD pipelines and automation tools, cloud architects, individuals designing and optimizing cloud-based solutions on AWS, system administrators, IT professionals managing AWS infrastructure and application deployments, database administrators, experts working with AWS database solutions like RDS, DynamoDB, and Aurora. IT professionals, individuals transitioning to cloud computing and AWS-based development roles. Salaries, roles, and responsibilities in AWS development. AWS is a highly sought-after skill in the tech industry, offering lucrative salaries and diverse career opportunities. Here are some key roles and their salary ranges. AWS Developer. Develop, deploy, and maintain cloud applications on AWS, ensuring security and scalability. The average salary is $110,000 to $140,000 per annum. DevOps Engineer, AWS Focus. Automate infrastructure deployment, integrate AWS services with CI/CD pipelines, and optimize cloud performance. In this field, we can earn the average salary ranging from $115,000 to $150,000 per annum. Cloud Engineer, AWS. Design and implement AWS-based solutions, manage cloud infrastructure, and ensure high availability. The average salary is $120,000 to $160,000 per annum. AWS Security Engineer. Implement security best practices, manage IAM policies, and monitor security threats in AWS environments. In the United States, approximately, the average salary is $130,000 to $170,000 per annum. AWS Solutions. Architect. Design scalable and cost-efficient AWS solutions, consult on best practices, and implement cloud architectures. The average salary is $130,000 to $175,000 per annum. AWS Consultant. Provide expert guidance on AWS adoption, architecture design, and cloud migration strategies. The average salary is $140,000 to $180,000 per annum. The above salaries vary based on experience, location, and industry demand. AWS Developer Training Program. The AWS Developer Associate Training is a specialized program designed for IT professionals looking to master AWS Cloud development, serverless computing, and DevOps integration. The course covers everything from AWS fundamentals to advanced development techniques, ensuring learners are industry-ready. The AWS Developer Training provides hands-on experience through practical labs, real-world projects, and live instructor-led sessions. The training covers various modules, including an introduction to AWS, cloud computing concepts, compute services, storage and databases, networking and security, CI/CD and DevOps, advanced AWS development, real-world projects, and certification preparation. Learners will explore topics such as AWS CLI setup, IAM roles and security policies, computing services, storage and databases, networking, security, monitoring and logging, CI/CD and DevOps, microservices architecture, serverless application development, and AI and ML integration. Additionally, the course covers resume building and interview preparation to ensure learners are job-ready. By engaging in practical exercises, expert mentorship, and case studies, participants will gain in-depth knowledge and industry-relevant skills that will help them excel in their careers. With practical sessions, expert mentorship, and real-world case studies, learners will gain in-depth expertise and job-ready skills. The training includes certification preparation, resume building assistance, and 24/7 team support. Whether you are looking to advance your cloud development career or enhance your AWS expertise, this course equips you with the skills needed to succeed in the cloud computing industry. Join GoLogica today and take the first step toward becoming an AWS expert.